Best protein-rich foods for gastric sleeve patients. After gastric sleeve surgery, patients need to follow a special diet to support healing and long-term weight loss. One of the most important nutrients during recovery is protein. It helps repair tissues, preserve muscle mass, and maintain energy levels. Why protein matters? Protein is made up of amino acids that are essential for building and repairing the body's tissues. After gastric sleeve surgery, patients eat smaller portions, so every bite counts. That's why choosing protein-rich foods is key to a successful recovery. How much protein do you need? Most patients are advised to consume 60 to 80 grams of protein per day, depending on their age, weight, and activity level. Not getting enough protein can slow healing, cause muscle loss, and lead to fatigue. Top 5 protein-rich foods for gastric sleeve patients. 1. Lean poultry, skinless chicken and turkey are excellent low-fat sources of high-quality protein. 2. Fish and seafood, options like salmon, tuna, and shrimp are rich in protein and heart-healthy omega-3 fats. 3. Eggs, easy to digest and versatile, eggs are a top choice for post-surgery meals. 4. Low-fat dairy, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, and skimmed milk provide protein plus calcium for bone health. 5. Plant-based proteins, beans, lentils, tofu, quinoa, and seeds are great for vegetarian or vegan diets. Tips for success: 1. Cook smart, grill, bake, or steam to keep meals healthy. 2. Use supplements. Protein shakes or powders can help if you're not meeting goals through food alone. 3. Stay hydrated. Water supports digestion, but avoid drinking during meals to prevent discomfort. 4. Track your intake. Use a food journal or app to monitor daily protein. Choosing protein-rich foods after gastric sleeve surgery helps you heal, stay strong, and lose weight effectively. Focus on quality sources, eat small portions, and consult with your dietitian to meet your personal needs. And always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.